Today, I'm going to show you what the new Fast Break Suite in Welsh-Ryan Arena looks like. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So this year in the Northwestern basketball arena, they added a Fast Break premium suite experience. So if you are not a member of the Wilson Club, which is the high-end suite here, you can now get access to a new room, a smaller room, called the Fast Break experience, where you can get unlimited food and drinks, and it's exclusive to the people that purchase access to the suite. So I want to show you what it's like. First of all, you can order a subscription or you can buy it by the game. The price is market sensitive, so order it early if you really know that you want to go to the suite on that particular game, because they can go up from $75 to $150. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need a ticket to go to the Northwestern basketball game. The access to the suite does not include a ticket, so you need that to get in. Once you get to Welsh-Ryan Arena and you go through security, you're going to go to the left side, and then you're going to walk all the way to the back of the arena, go all the way up the stairs, and then turn the corner. It's right behind section 208 upstairs, and there is a room that says Wildcats on it, and in front of the room there will be a couple of people to make sure that you have access to the suite. They will take your QR code and then give you a wristband so that you can get in. The Fast Break Club isn't huge, but I've never seen it really busting at the seams with a lot of people, so it might be the best kept secret at Welsh-Ryan Arena. Now, I actually have gone there a couple times. In one case here, what we had was some salad and fruit and delicious potatoes. They were very light and fluffy, and they actually had pork tenderloin medallions, which were excellent. They were really very, very good. And steamed broccoli. They have some sweets and stuff out as well. They always had hot dogs, so if you just want some of that sports type of food, you can get that. The brownies and the M&Ms and chips and cookies are usually always out, and they almost always have boxes of a buttery popcorn. That is my little secret, is that when you are heading out, I would grab a drink and a box of the popcorn. Now, they have a bunch of tables set up. Again, it's not huge, but I have never found it hard to find a space to sit. They usually have the TVs on, and if the game is going on, oftentimes they will have a closed circuit feed into the room so that you can see that. I have noticed, though, they have always been on mute, so you can't necessarily always tell what is going on. They usually have the drinks out, the non-alcoholic drinks, so if you want to grab a pop or a water, sometimes that is behind the alcoholic serving desk there with the gentleman that will make sure that you are of age. He does have a variety of beers, which is nice, and he also has red and white wine, but no champagne as far as I can tell. The room is nice, but a little Spartan. I think a really big wall mural that goes from end to end showing the basketball players or the court would be really nice. Now, at this particular game, they also had a salad out, some fruits. It was a nice spread as well. They had a delicious and hot tray of gnocchi. They had grilled chicken breasts and green beans, so a healthy option there. Again, the obligatory hot dog, which I always get. They are plump and delicious, and there's nothing like a hot dog at a sporting event. It's just something you can't replicate at home. Lots of cookies. I have noticed here that the suite stays open throughout the game. I think it closes about 7 minutes before the end of the game, and so you can come back at the half and get more food. And what I've noticed is that they leave the food out, but they also tend to put out more sweets at the halftime. So if you have listened to my tricks, grab another drink and a box of popcorn for the road, head back and enjoy the rest of the game. Now, I do want to call out here that this game ended up being pretty special. This was Purdue, ranked #1 in the country, versus Northwestern at home, and in an amazing turn of events, in the last 3 minutes of the game, Northwestern pulled ahead and won. It was the first time in Northwestern history that they have ever knocked off a #1 seed, and the place was crazy. What an awesome game. So it was great to spoil yourself with free food and unlimited drinks at the game. And if you want to do that and give yourself a nice little option so that you don't have to find dinner or lunch before the game or outside at another location, this is a great option. So if you want to try the Fast Break Club, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.